This is Ngabo 20 Sharp iChannel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 2, Chess Galaxy 0. How's it, my brother?
Sharp ngokunjani.
Sharp, thanks man. Ibone njani game namhlanje?
Igame ngibone kahle abafana badlalile and then nabo coach bethu ngicabanga ukuthi sibagcine because of angeke sithi bese ku number 9 basibeke ku 3 sibabona ukuthi abana umsebenzi. You understand? Bazamile kakhulu, si expected too much. Mase expecta u1. Ase expecteni u2 or u3. And then the way our coach basebenze ngakhona I think I'm not saying influence indaba ye strike ukuthi kumele ku strikewe, but after a strike even nathi ama changes siyawabona. You understand? Kuthi befuna a little bit of push so that bakhona ukuthi babe active. Iyakhombisa ukuthi ibhola ku Kaizer Chiefs likhona. Likhona ibhola ku Kaizer Chiefs. And then two, I don't think ukuthi sinida ukuchange kakhulu because of ama player akhona ayasaba ukuthatha irresponsibility. Maku 22 hayi ku 18, maku 22 uphaselana uvele nopalo uvele no goalkeeper waye ungakhahleli ingana ngomba bayakora mawukhahlelile la ngangeni sikubonile bozana. Manje ama player we Chiefs bayasaba bonke. Umuntu azuthini uthe hey ukuthi mina ngikhahlelele ngaphandle ama fans azongiblame thing ngiliphase la avele khona nani nepali. And then the other mistake iland bathini obo coach be Kaizer Chiefs abayenzayo nama fan e Kaizer Chiefs yibe ababulale bambulala uDupreez thingibeke njalo bayambulala uDupreez because of uDupreez mangabuyele emuva ubheka ama clips wakhe uDupreez usuka nebhola ude ayi1 azawufika kuphi epalini makafika epalini enzeni aligeje useseyi1 aligeje akafuna ukuyikhuluma akatholi
support from ama players akakhona ukusebenza naye ama players weChiefs.
Manje thina sizothi uDupreez akadlali kahle. uDupreez for mina uye ubest striker ku Chiefs esinayo.
Abakhona ukumsebenzisa the way ngayo.
Abakhona ukumsebenzisa. And then two bathu bani uvele by indoda.
Kistar.
Indoda uvele by. Yabona lezinto azenza laphana. Hey wenza umhlola. Ibhola akayiluzi easy. Uyaphasa and then two uChiefs ngimbonile asemnikanga igame time ngaleyo ndlela, but ngicela ukuthi yena azame ukuba quick kancane because of uChiefs kuyadlala amabhola ababulalayo wabulalisa ukuthi slow udlala kancane thatha bafike balithathe. And then likhona enye ibhola nabeka ku I think ku 22 or ku 20 eduze nepali ibhola leli nabeke ufuna nje alikhahlele because of it was only him no goalkeeper nalo muntu omakile soduze kwakhe yena ufuna ukwenzani ufuna ukulikhama la alikhama khona iplayer le alikhahlela laphumela ngaphandle ifela beka khahtelile noma ngabe belishaya ipala noma ngabe beliye phezulu siyalida nge2 akuna pressure.
We're not under pressure.
Ngabe lingenile
maybe ngabe lingenile. And then elinye futhi elikamfundo Vilakazi umfundo Vilakazi naye utholile chance too much balls inside the length of the bila beka sangena ne18 too much balls mawuthola chance ubhekene no goalkeeper khahlela mangangenanga alingenanga uzamile. And then umona phansi ugoalkeeper number 1 South Africa uPeterson
clean sheets Mr.
Peterson yabona namhlanje ngithe mangibona nje uPeterson ngathatha siyawina.
This is the win Mr. Clean sheets
siyawina namhlanje. And then ngiyabonga kuma player we Chiefs wonke ngokuba khona nje egamini kwabo. And then ngiyabonga kuma supporter we Chiefs ngokuza kuzosupporta ama Chiefs. Ngiyacela nalama supporter we Chiefs bewakwatile angikhohle ukuthi asakwatile asibuyeni sizosupportana abafana sikhumbuleni ukuthi bathi i-main purpose is to support. You understand that? I-management angeke ihlale enza ngendlela thina lesicabanga ngayo always, and then there's no way ukuthi bazosenza happy sonke madoda. You understand that? Sometimes management asinike i-chance. You understand ukuthi njani nabo sometimes basinike i-chance siboneni ukuthi wenza. And then two sicela ukuthi bazamenyana striker esingasabi noma ngaba inkomo akahluphi striker esingasabi. Yabona ubathu bani number 77 biza Silva right Silva ipala uyaligesha nyana ipala yabona mara unayo lento lenhliziyo umbheke amadliwa kwata amadliwa damani adlale ngenhliziyo yabona and then uLilepo naye uLilepo is very good unamashoti lo mchitalwana angasabi ukhahlela and then lento akathanda kuyenza ukugegeleza makaphatha ibhola athanda ukuya ayekhoneni
but it worked for him today.
yes angeke isebenze ayisebenzi esikhathini esiningi sometimes abhekane khona elinye ibhola alitholile namhlanje azama ukulikhahla nethi le phezulu kancane ekabhekane no-goalkeeper lapho because of the reason ngithi angayiceli kakhulu sometimes mayeceleni makhahlela ibhola alifiki kahle mara mabhekane no-goalkeeper because une-shot lo mchitalwana makafika akhahlela i-possibility lingakora eningi siningi ukora damani akude yena bekathi uyayicrossa if ngakhumbula kahle igoli liyani langena understand inyala la mchitali ligude
number 1 ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu ne ethara